Hi guys, good evening. This is Mrs. Walker. I am going to walk you through using our Google Classroom, okay? So most of you have been, all of you have been emailed an invitation to our Google Classroom, and it is in your student email account. Once you accept the invitation, then I will have the option to invite your parents, and I will invite them as well, okay? So I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the Google Classroom because you did use this during Kinder, and so this may be just a little bit of a refresher, but we'll go over it. This year, our class is called Mrs. Walker's First Grade Class 2020 through 2021. That is our school calendar year. Here is the stream button, and on the stream, that's like the home page of Google Classroom, of our Google Classroom page. Anything that I post, if I need to share something important, if I need to give a quick shout out or let you know what's coming up, here is upcoming. Okay, I'll post here. And then whenever I post an assignment, it will also show up in the stream. So this is like the home page of our Google Classroom. Up here is the Google Classroom class code. And so if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android phone or a tablet or some sort of device and you download the Google Classroom app, you can actually click join class and you can type in this class code and you'll be able to join our class. This is the Google Meet link. This is the link that we are using this evening for our Meet the Teacher, and this is the link that we will use when we do our teaching or the instruction for the day. This is where you will come to click to join our lessons or to come to school. Here is a classwork button. And right now we just have Parent Help Center, which will be some different resources available for parents just in case you need assistance or you need to know how to get to this place or that place. There will be some resources available to you here soon that you can come and find to kind of help you navigate the virtual world of schooling. But this is where you will begin to see classwork. So it will be the week, and then you will see different assignments for the week posted, okay? Here's our Google Meet code and calendar and class drive folder. You don't have to worry about those things too much, okay? So this is just a brief overview, and also just a reminder, please, as a student, do not post anything on the stream unless I tell you to do that to complete an assignment or for a specific task. We want to make sure that we follow our Google Meet expectations and that we make sure that we keep this school related because the postings do get shared with parents and it'll go to their email that I posted something. So we want to make sure that you're not bombarded with a bunch of unnecessary emails. That is the introduction to our Google Classroom. It may look a little bit different when you come back the next time, but I'll show you how to work this, and this is what we will be doing the first week of school. All right, guys, on to the next thing.